Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So today we will learn about iPhone, and I would like to show you the way how you can turn off or set the SOS only on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just right away open your settings. Right here, go click it, and you just need to open the general section. In this general section, you just need to right away scrolling down until you got this transfer or reset iPhone. Just go click it, and to get those SOS fix or turn off the SOS, you just need to go click reset, and there will be a lot of options that you can do or reset here. Means that you can have an option what do you want to reset. So here you have to make sure whenever you reset means that all of the settings will not gonna be the same as you have right now. It's gonna be set like a factory set, so there will be no history over it. So if you want to set or turn off the SOS only, you just need to go click reset network settings, and then you just need to put the passcode of your iPhone and wait until this is coming up. And again, make sure that you understand whenever you reset it, it will be not gonna give you any information. It's gonna be blank. So if you deal with it, you just need to confirm that by go click reset network settings. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Please don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this video, and let's meet again into other tutorial.